The concepts and the rules behind meditation can feel overwhelming. Let your consciousness experience itself with no attachment to time. I have encountered a lot of people that most of the times they have assumptions. Let all obstacles melt away. I don't have time. I can't commit. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Let awareness expand. How can you focus a mind that is bouncing all over the place? Let's observe the mindfulness principle of becoming aware of the thoughts in our heads. And what exactly is mindfulness? As we recognize the process, we can create gaps in it, and we can play with it. How cool is that? My name is Almeiri Santos. I am a meditation teacher and a Reiki practitioner. Meditation does not have to be a challenge. It can be a simple act you practice while in line at the grocery store or waiting for the bus. In this course, we will look at practices of meditation and mindfulness and make these practices simple and easy to apply in daily life situations, leading to a richer living experience. We are breaking all of the misconceptions of meditation here. You don't necessarily have to sit cross-legged and push all thoughts out of your mind to meditate. We will learn that there is no right and there's no wrong. Meditation is a very private experience. In this 12-session course, you are going to pause and breathe and accept who you are. I am going to teach you that you already know how to meditate. I am just your guide. It's about you. It's about your inner silence. If you have ever been curious about mindfulness and meditation, I invite you to join me for this course on Round Glass. I will see you then.